Hi everyone, it's Annika from QLD Property Services here. Today I'm at Unit 80 at 11 Stanley Street. I'm going to be taking you through a 3D walkthrough tour of the property. So as you enter here, you will see we have a little nook around the entrance. And heading down the hallway, we have a bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious and it also has two separate built-in wardrobes. This opens up into the bathroom, which as you can see has a shower and a bathtub, which then also opens back up out into the hallway for the general living space. We have a laundry in the cupboard here. And heading out here, we have an open living, dining and kitchen area. And this also opens up out into the beautiful balcony. As you can see, plenty of space on the balcony as well, with beautiful views of Townsville. So that is it for this one bedroom property at Unit 80 at 11 Stanley Street in Townsville City. Thank you.